Hello everyone, I'm Rasa Sikibol and right now padulong ako sa Rodelsa Hall, Liceo de Cagayan University para mo-attend sa Cine European 29 Film Festival. Part ni siya sa among Art Appreciation class activity. Honestly, first time pa na ako mo-attend sa European Film Festival, so excited ko makita sa ilang style sa storytelling o sa ilang culture. Mga may ipakita sa ilang film. So tara, maglanto na ta! So muna nakuglanto sa film. The title of the film is Gloria. It was directed by Margarita Vicario and I think ang genre niya kay historical musical drama. Ang story sa movie is about a group of young women who live in orphanage during the 18th century. They discover their love for music and work together to create something unique while trying to find their own voices and freedom. Para sa kuha, I like the movie because unique kayo and mura kag nasa 18th century. Ang nagdala gyud sa akong taste kay ang music nindot kaayo. Ang akong favorite part kay katong nagtinabangay sila sa paghimo og music. It shows teamwork, creativity, and confidence despite the challenges they face. Ang overall, I will rate this movie 8.5 out of 10. And yes, ma-recommend yun na ako siya sa uban, especially if ganaan sila og music in historical films. So I just came back in Rodelsa Hall para maglanto sa second film.
A znamy тут лисица odkręt. Tego kryminalec. To jest mago model. Czak. Mam больше, да.
The title of this film is Hidden People, directed by Miya Hoshiba, and ang genre niya kay comedy drama. Ang movie is about a man who suddenly starts remembering hidden parts of his past. As he uncovers the truth, he also learns more about himself, his family, and the people around him. The story combines comedy with emotional moments, making it both entertaining and meaningful. Sa akong opinion, this film was funny at first, but as the story continued, it became emotional and touching. Ang pinakanakuha na akong lesson ani kay importante ang family, forgiveness, and accepting who you truly are. Although lahi siya og culture compare sa ganiya, makarelate gyapon ka sa iyang message because everyone experience problem, memories, and relationship with family. If I were to rate this movie, I will give it 9 out of 10 because I really enjoyed the plot twist and the message of the film. Overall, na-enjoy na ako akong experience diri sa Cine Europa 29 Film Festival. Dagan kong na-learn, dili lang about sa movies, pero pati pod sa lain-laing culture o perspective sa Europe. Makarealize pod ka, bisan lain-lain tag nationality, parehas ra gyapon ta og experience og emotions.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.